Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Seung and Seo Ji's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of overseas YouTube subscribers, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Seung and Seo Ji. I wonder if the story of handsome sculpture is hidden in fortune. This analysis assumed that they two are dating. On the left is Seung's fortune, and on the right is Seo Ji's fortune. But both of them have the same letters that point to them in positive matter. In the case of the same letter, it creates a condition where they can communicate well with each other. But since both of them are positive matter, they won't give each other a small concession. And just below the letters that point to themselves are the letters that tell them how they feel about their spouse. And these letters are the same. In other words, they value their spouses very much and want to take care of them. It seems that they are equal and will be like friends because they share the same mind with each other. It's such an amazing meeting. I think they communicated well when they acted with the same mind. These are letters that mean their own energy. Seung on the left has 3 letters that are his energy. Seo Ji on the right is a letter that means her in 2 letters. From this point on, there may be some other stories. Seo Ji's energy is slightly weaker than Seung's. So Seo Ji will be able to slightly lose anything and yield. If the letter pointed to them is positive matter, it does not get weak without any letters supporting them. And both of them have letters supporting them. They do their part very well and have dignity. Positive matter is usually compared to uncrafted jewels or rocks. Therefore, they love their fire energy that will make them a jewel. And they look strong, but they are sensitive like warriors with flowers. They have a good sensibility as an actor. But from now on, we are seeing different sides of each other, but there is one common denominator. What is it? The blue part of Seung's fortune on the left means honor. Just as Seung wants the uncrafted jewels to be worked out, the fire is right next to him, making it a jewels. This is why Seung has no choice but to become a handsome sculptor. And these blue letters are both Seung's honor and a child. Seung is good fortune for honor and success even after getting married and having children. Of course, his children are smart too. And the pink circle is the letter that corresponds to money. And there is certainly money and honor in the fortune itself. And right next to the letter meaning money, there's a letter that means a lot of competition. Therefore, he looks gentle as a handsome sculptor, but he has a will to never lose and a determination to turn himself into a jewel. In Seo Ji's fortune on the right, blue is the word for children and cute action. If Seung's honorifics are powerful, Seo Ji is a fox-like wife who is full of charms and speaks very well because of her excellent language skills. and her child is very smart. In this respect, the man is blunt and gentle, and the woman is good at talking to the cute. Of course, their children are smart and will have a very good family. That's wonderful. And the pink part of Seo Ji-hae's fortune is about money. But Seo Ji-hae has as much money as Song Seung-hon. And Seo Ji-hae has a strong businesswoman spirit that she produces money. Today, I analyzed their fortune harmony, and it seems that they have a good relationship with each other. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.